Special counsel Jack Smith has reignited the legal battle against former President Donald Trump by filing a new indictment, aiming to address election interference charges. This case was previously stalled after a significant ruling by the Supreme Court, which granted former presidents broad immunity from prosecution for official acts. Smith's new indictment has been carefully revised to remove references to Trump's actions involving the Justice Department, which the court found to be part of his exclusive sphere of constitutional authority. This adjustment ensures the case now focuses on Trump's actions as a candidate rather than as a sitting president. Despite these changes, Trump is still facing 4 serious charges. These include obstruction of an official proceeding, conspiracy to obstruct an official proceeding, conspiracy to defraud the U.S., and conspiracy against the right to vote. These charges highlight claims that Trump pressured state officials, participated in fraudulent elector schemes, and sought to disrupt the electoral vote certification process. Trump's response to the new indictment was immediate and defiant. He took to his platform, Truth Social, calling the indictment a desperate witch hunt that should be dismissed immediately. He also claimed that the new indictment was an attempt to bypass the Supreme Court's ruling, though legal experts say it aligns with the court's instructions. Judge Tanya Chutkan, handling the case, now faces the task of deciding which parts of the evidence can proceed. Trump's legal team is expected to use every possible delay tactic, arguing that the case violates unwritten Justice Department practices against influencing an election close to the voting period. Nonetheless, these delays are seen as tactics Trump's team has used to their advantage previously. This new legal twist adds another layer of complexity to Trump's presidential campaign. Should he win the presidency, Trump could potentially terminate this and other federal cases against him. If he loses, he will likely stand trial, facing possible convictions and jail time. This development also impacts the presidential race dynamics, especially as Trump's opponent, Democratic nominee Kamala Harris, has used his legal troubles to emphasize her calls for a return to integrity and responsible governance. Trump's indictments are expected to play a significant role in the voters' decision-making process as early voting approaches. In addition to the federal election interference case, Trump faces other legal battles. Notably, the recent dismissal of his classified documents case by a judge appointed during his term is under appeal. There are also ongoing proceedings related to allegations of defamation and financial fraud, each contributing to the heavy cloud of legal challenges hanging over the former president.